Way Philippine Eagle natin here is they're actually choosy, highly standard sa pagpili in mate. Tapos they're actually monogamous. So if the female they're actually choosing for that one mate, that's the whole lifetime partners na. Even the one will they cannot mate anymore na. So they're monogamous, faithful and loyal like penguins, swan and lovebirds po. So for the Philippine Eagle natin, so we have actually a pairing dome. I-prepare mo na yung eagle bago yung mga Philippine Eagles mag-breed po. So hindi sila pwedeng ilagay sa isang kulungan agad kasi pwede sila magkapatayan both side kung hindi mapili ng babae yung lalaki. They can kill each other.
Tapos kanang once they feel that they love them or they like
The male eagle is actually use those twigs, the branches for courting that eagle. If the Philippine Eagle female will accept it, it's a yes. But the courting time of the Philippine Eagle, again and again, I say that those are 2 years or more than 2 years. These are their own mix. And right here pa ate is actually the adapters or the sponsored of the Philippine Eagles. So that's actually the big companies kaya tungod wala man tayo suportado sa national government. So mostly of them mga big corporation to less their tax in the government.
So we are encouraging everyone to sponsor the Philippine Eagle
IDEX, call center agencies. So daghan pa ning uban
Foundation.
here, tungod nagpropose ta sa LGU Davao na matagantag yuta for the breeding. So right now we have 13 hectares that they give in Eden Torrico. So nata atong breeding area pero wala na makasulod ng mga tao right there. All over right there is the keepers po. Na magkatiman sa atong
keepers. So wala na mapusil-pusil dito, wala na mag.
Yes, yes.
So may pa ang eagle kay kanang once they choose a partner.
Si Philippine Eagle Jesus is a male
They will
adopted
stick
by
to that
Kuya Kim
partner.
Atienza sa Matanglawin.
Mm.
Ang pangalan sa eagle makita nimo then hatch sa baba is those are yung adopters nila si Kuya Kim Atienza. Mag-asawa po, Kuya Kim and Felicia Atienza. One of the celebrity ng Philippines sa Matanglawin. Weather lang. Yes.
asa gid ang dalawa nasa baba.
Yeah, proudly adopted by Mr. and Mrs. Kim and Felicia Atienza. So signage po, hindi dito tayo.
Thank you, Atienza family.
Si Kuya Kim.
Uy, ato Amel.
A nice vlog. Are you live?
Napunta yung Philippine Eagle Owl. This Philippine Eagle Owl is the largest owl in the Philippines but they have actually 5 feet long in wingspan po. And we're basing as their apex predator sa panggabi po or nighttime.
Where?
Upper left at the corner at the white branch po.
Kita ka? Hindi pala kita.
No, ang bamboo.
Philippine Eagle pagkakaisa diri mo ni igsoon ni pag-asa po. Pag-asa is actually mo to pinakaunang hatch na to in captive by the artificial insemination. The first 2 eagles were in captive in 1992. Sila to pag-asa in
Pag-asa and pagkakaisa.
Those are the 2 eagles na nakapagsikat sa Philippines in 1992 po. And right now, mana nang gisunod sa pagkakaroon na in vitro na because of those eagle na research by Dr. Jane Gray.
Ay, yung foreigner, no? Siya ba na? Kana?